Alright, Daryl here, Stamp Yacht Sales, and we are on board our Express 330 Grady White. Getting ready to do a little takeoff here on the Peace River on a beautiful December day. Ready when you are, Captain. Thing with the GPSs too, they always flicker a little bit on the video, and I don't know why. Boat runs absolutely beautifully. See the bow thrusters, the controls. It's got the Optimus little joystick. Absolutely beautiful running. Just serviced recently. No issues whatsoever. You can take us back whenever you're ready. Give them a quick walk down.
What we'll do too is when we get to the dock, we'll use this. Come into the dock.
Okay, perfect.
This will be amazing. We'll get a couple. Yeah, it's got a little. The light switches are on there.
Comfortable galley, microwave, 2-burner stove, refrigeration, television, 2 stereos. You got the V berth forward. Got the settee with a removable table. Middle cabin back here is nice and spacious, and a very comfortable enclosed head compartment with a stand-up fresh shower, sink. Beautiful, beautiful boat. We hope you liked it. We're also going to do a little video, if you'd like to look for it, on the Optimus joystick handling as well.